nutrition. So what do you mean by food? Food means the substances that we eat or that we consume in our day-to-day life so that we can get nutritional support to carry out our lives or to survive. So mainly we eat 3 times a day. There are 3 main meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So in these 3 meals we consume different types of food. Now where do we get food from? The 2 main sources from where we get food is food from plants and food from animals. Now let us see the foods that we get from plants. Most of the food that we eat comes from plants: cereals, pulses, oilseeds, fruits, vegetables, spices and beverages. Beverages such as coffee, tea and cocoa, these also comes from plants. So every day we eat food from these groups, from cereals, pulses, oilseeds. From each and every group we eat the food. Now let us see the food groups one by one. Cereals: rice, wheat, oats, maize and millets are called cereals. Wheat is usually grounded to flour. Grounded means it is made in the powdered form. Bread, roti, naan, puris and parathas are made from wheat flour, which we eat in our breakfast. Usually we eat this bread, rotis in our breakfast. And rice is a staple or basic food in many parts of the country. So every state or every place has a staple food. Like in Punjab, the staple food is roti and rice. Gujarat, rice. West Bengal also rice. Basically, in many parts of our country, rice is used as a staple food. But in different countries, the staple food may be different. Not rice, but different. Some cereals, oats, maize, cornflakes, etc. So, cereals like oats, maize, wheat and rice flakes are also eaten as breakfast cereals. Our next food group is pulses. So we all eat with rice, with roti, dal, at our home. So those are known as pulses. Now you see, pulses, also known as lentils, include kidney beans, known as rajma, chickpeas, known as chana, and all the dals we eat, such as arhar, moong, masoor and urad. Pulses are a rich source of protein. So, to get protein, it is very necessary for us to eat dal, also known as pulses, in our diets. So, pulses are of different colors. When you eat, sometimes the dal is black color, sometimes it is yellow color, sometimes a little bit of green color. So, these are different types of pulses. You see there in this picture, yellow moong, yellow chana, red lentils, red beans, urad, then green moong, tur dal, soya beans. These are different types of pulses. In Assamese we call the red lentils as masoor dal, and the split chickpea, moong dal, then rohor dal. These are in Assamese we call it. So now to cook the vegetables we need oil. Where do we get this oil? This oil also we get from oil seeds. Okay, people all over India use different kinds of oil for cooking food. Oil is extracted from special seeds called oil seeds. So these oil seeds, from some flowers we get, these oil seeds are first dried and then they are crushed to extract the oil. So these are the different seeds from where we get the cooking oil. castor seed, groundnut, sesame, sunflower, then soybean seed, neem seed oil, olive oil, etc. In these oils, we cook our food. We already know how fruits and vegetables are very good for our health, and it is very necessary that we eat fruits and vegetables regularly in our diet because they are full of vitamins and minerals. Now, fruits are of different categories. Some are fleshy foods like mango, banana, apples, papayas. These are called fleshy fruits that we eat. And some are dry fruits like almonds, cashew nuts, pistachio, or we call it as pista, walnuts, raisin, date palm. These are dry fruits. Along with the fruits, we need to eat vegetables. Now we all know the different parts of a plant that we can eat, that are roots, stems, leaves. Yes or no? Like carrots, turnips, radishes. These are roots. Potatoes, onion, ginger. These are stems. And the green leafy vegetables such as spinach, lettuce and mustard leaves. Lettuce, when you eat burger or sandwich, there are some green color leaves given. These are lettuce leaves. And the mustard leaves, they are also known as laihak. Yes or no? And spinach, it is known as palenhak. These leafy vegetables are very nutritious. So, intake of these leafy vegetables improves our health and keeps us away from many diseases. The first picture is of spinach, second one is lettuce, and the third one is mustard leaves, laihak. So now, to give flavor and color to our food, a different group is added, that are spices. Spices are obtained from seeds, leaves, barks or roots of plants that have a strong smell and taste. Spices are necessary in our diet because this helps to digest our food better. So the different types of spices are cloves, pepper, cardamom, turmeric, bay leaves, mustard seeds, cinnamon, then red chili powder, elaichi. These are different types of spices. Spices are used as flavoring agents in our food. Because of these spices, our food tastes and smells delicious. Another food group is the beverages, such as coffee, tea and cocoa. This comes from plants. So this is a coffee plant from where we get our coffee. These red berries are roasted, made dry, and the coffee powder is made. We get tea from the tea leaves. And also the cocoa powder, which is used to make chocolates and which is used as a flavoring agent in cakes, come from the cocoa beans, and this is a cocoa plant. So, food groups that we get from plants, they are completed. Now we will see the food that we get from animals. There is a lot of food we get from animals. Cows, buffaloes, camels, yaks and goats give us milk. From milk, we can make curd, cheese, butter, etc. So the products that we get from milk are called dairy products. These animals also give us meat for our food, such as we get chicken, we get mutton from goat, then we get pork from pigs, fish that we eat, these are all food that we get from animals. Hens, ducks, they give us eggs, while honeybees give us honey. So these are the various products, various food we get from animals.